Okay, guys, I want to prove to you just how fast you can actually make one of these ads. And in order to do that, I did want to preface this or actually be transparent and show you that I do have everything ready. So I have the graphic creator ready, I'm at Craigslist, and I have my YouTube downloader ready, as well as GIMP is open. I'm using this cool timer. This thing should stay visible, and just make sure that it stays visible. I want it to keep one at the top of all others. So I'm going to make sure that thing sits there while I'm doing this as a stopwatch for a countdown. I'll probably need to move it around a bit, but I want to prove to you guys just how quick I can do this, and I'll probably even make some mistakes along the way here. But you'll notice that my GIMP is open to nothing. It's just a brand new, fresh page here. So click on New. You'll see that it's all brand new stuff. So nothing's been pre-arranged or preset. Let's actually close this real quick and reopen it. Alright. And there it is. So let's get started and let's see how fast you truly can make one of these. Even with errors, I bet you I can do it within 15 minutes. Start. Let's go. Let's see here. I'm going to go to services. I'm going to type YouTube. I'm going to mute this while I go over this. There you have it, guys. What I also did there to kind of show you guys a cool little trick so that the image stays static, except for the image. The image is the only thing that loops because one of the students actually had a question about this. They just wanted this part to stay static. So notice that I added the layer. I copied the layer. I merged all the background pieces, and then I added the layer all the way to the top. So it's basically a sandwich of that layer, the background at the top and at the bottom, because the way a GIF works is it's just basically different layers. So it shows a different picture every so often. And so if you do it this way, the only thing that'll change is that you'll see change is what's in here. And this is the outcome. There is a tool that you can use that's a bit smoother, that makes this transition a bit smoother. It's called the EasyGIF animator, which you do have to pay for, which I have paid for because I like it. But you don't have to if you don't want to. You can also just leave that kind of slight flash defect in it, and I don't think it really matters very much because what you're doing is you're comparing and contrasting something that the end user is looking at. But this, what you're showing them, is I think far more powerful. So just showed you a cool little trick there, and I hope you can put it to use. And stay tuned because this is obviously a skill set you can make use of if you choose to, if you want to. But it definitely is something that we're going to streamline. We're going to help streamline, and you could make faster with the templates that we have that we're going to include shortly here. But don't forget, guys, as you progress through this, you are building something that you can call your own. Not a lot of people can do this. So I hope you can appreciate that at the very least. And of course, I am always looking for feedback. So let me know what I can include for you guys, so that to make things easier, better, faster, stronger for you guys, because I do want you to succeed. Thanks so much for watching, and we will be talking soon.